To begin with, select PWM restricted wavetable under oscillator A. Next, add 7 voices of unison and reduce the detune. And change the wavetable position like this. Next, add MB saw wavetable under oscillator B. With 9 voices of unison and reduce the detune. Next, shape envelope 1 like this. After shaping envelope 1, shape LFO1 like this. And route to the level of the oscillators like this. Next, add a low 24 filter and route LFO1 to the cutoff. Next, add some white noise. For the FX, I have added hyper with 3 voices of unison. And also a bit of dimension. Distortion with basic settings. Reverb with basic settings. Some multi-band compression. And a low cut EQ with a boost on the high end.